Hi, friends. Um, we are going to work a little bit on learning what we do when we are blending and we have words with three sounds. We've been working on blending words with 1, 2 sounds and putting them together. But what happens if we have a word like fun? Fun has 3 sounds and we only have 2 hands. So I'm going to show you a way that we're going to practice words with 3 sounds using our arm. So I want you to watch first and then I'll have you try it with me. So I put my left arm out like this and I use my right arm and I touch my shoulder and my elbow and my wrist. Okay? Mirrors? Oh, good job remembering. Arm out. Nice work. Shoulder. Touch your shoulder. Touch your elbow. Touch your wrist. Now go back up to your shoulder and slide your hand down. Nice job. So if I have a word with 3 sounds, I'm going to touch my shoulder, my elbow, and my wrist while I say it. So let me take that word fun. Up here I would say n, un, fun, fun. Yes. So I took the sound n, and I blended them together to make the word fun. Okay? Let's try another one. If I said the word sun, arms out. Good job. Mirror. On. Sun. You got it. Okay, let's try another one. Run. On. Run. Awesome job. On the next video, I'm going to have some pictures and we're going to practice our new blending with the pictures that I have. Okay, when you're ready, click to the next video.